Hey friends, welcome to my channel, Sociology Made Easy. Let's understand an emerging trend of social activism called digital microactivism. Have you ever liked a post about climate change or shared a hashtag demanding justice? Congratulations! You've participated in digital microactivism. But wait, what is it, and does it even matter? Let's break it down. What is digital microactivism? Digital microactivism is exactly what it sounds like: small, online acts of activism. Think of signing an online petition, retweeting a social cause, or using hashtags like hashtag Black Lives Matter or hashtag MeToo. Individually, these acts may seem tiny, but collectively, they can spark real change. Let's have a look at examples of digital microactivism. A person signing an online petition for cleaner rivers, or another user tweeting about an environmental campaign, or a group of friends creating an Instagram reel on mental health awareness. These actions are like droplets of water. One drop, not much, but together, they form an ocean of change. But why is digital microactivism important? Now, you might be thinking, does liking a post really make a difference? Here is the thing, it does. Let me explain why. Amplification. Sharing hashtags or posts spreads awareness faster than ever. Remember how #MeToo became a global movement? Next is accessibility. Anyone with a smartphone can participate. No protests or rallies required. You can make an impact right from your couch. And lastly, collective power. One tweet may seem small, but millions of tweets can pressure governments, corporations, and institutions to act. Now let's understand the sociology behind it. Sociologists love studying this stuff. Digital microactivism is a modern example of collective action, a concept that dates back to thinkers like Durkheim and Weber. What's new is a digital platform, which allows individuals to connect, engage, and organize on a global scale. It's activism for the digital age, but does it work? There are some pros and cons. Pros like it raises awareness, encourages marginalized voices to speak up, and mobilizes resources and donations quickly. Cons like critics call it slacktivism, claiming it's superficial, and it often lacks the physical action required for deeper change. But hey, even if it's just a tweet, it's a start. Not every activist can march on the streets, and that's okay. How you can get involved? Want to try digital microactivism? Here is how you can make a difference today. 1. Sign online petitions. Platforms like change.org make it easy to support causes you care about. 2. Share content. Post or repost about issues that matter to you. Use trending hashtags to join global conversations. Or create your own movement. Start a hashtag or a campaign to raise awareness about something local. Who knows? It might go viral. Thus, we can conclude that digital microactivism proves that even small actions can create ripples of change. It's a reminder that you don't have to be a loudspeaker to make a difference. Sometimes, a single click can start a revolution. So, next time you think it's just a like, remember, it's much more than that. It's your voice, your choice, and your contribution to a better world. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to share it. It's a small act of digital microactivism.